Okay, I know I'm not alone when it comes to this issue. When you have a JL or a JT, my Gladiator here is a 2021, but I know this applies to pretty much, I think, all models up to 2024, to be honest. It's these visors. I have the issue with the passenger side and the driver's side just broke. The passenger side, I had it replaced. It was still under warranty, so the dealership took care of that. Not an issue. However, most recently, that just happened. Well, this is what I've been doing right now. There you go. Yeah, it just kind of dangles there. But yeah, let me show you what I found on Amazon, and I'm gonna install it here, see what you guys think. But apparently this thing is supposed to fix it and make it stronger so it won't happen again. So let's give it a go. All right, so here we go. So this is the part. That's it. So the idea is that you take this screw off here, and this is supposed to hold the bottom of it. So it's pushed in, just like that. So that will hold it in place, and you should be good. So let's give it a go. And these parts, like I said, I'm going to add it to the description. It comes with two. And a set of screws and a small tool, a little Allen wrench with a Phillips screwdriver. All right, let's get it put in and see how this works out. All right, just took the screw off, and there is a difference in size. There you go. The one to the left is the new one, and this is the one I just pulled out. And the reason for that is because now you're adding that. Look at the thickness. I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, that's in. Now I'm gonna go in and screw that in there. And so it could hold that right there. All right, give me a sec. All right, once I lined up the screw, and then pretty easily. I'm already feeling the tightness there. Nice. There you go. Works.